In this video, we're going to look at other features in spreadsheet software. So you already know so far in this series of videos on spreadsheet software skills, we have looked at data types, we know how to format a worksheet, we know all the formulas and the functions that we need to know for the exam. Now we're going to have a look at using some other features in spreadsheet software. Let's take a look at this now. Alright, so back in the spreadsheet again. This time we're on the tab called Other Features, and we're going to look at a few things here. So the first thing I want to show you is working with multiple worksheets. So you already know we've been using these worksheets so far. You can just switch between them by clicking on these tabs. But did you know you can have formulas that go across worksheets? So for example, I'm going to use the VLOOKUP formula here. Let's say I want to look at lettuce. Okay, I want to look at the cost of lettuce. Okay, equals VLOOKUP. Look for this value, comma, in the table array, use functions, and then highlight that table, comma, and we're going to go for that's column 2. False. And there you go. Okay, this form you can see here is actually mentioning a different worksheet before it gives the range of that table. Alright, next up, let's have a look at this one. So let's say I want to sort these test scores. Maybe I want to sort them by alphabetical order of name. Really easy, just going to highlight the column, go to home, and then sort and filter, A to Z, click sort, done. Okay, but maybe I don't want to, maybe actually I want to sort them by test score. Again, you can just right click as well, sort, smallest to largest, click sort. Now here's one thing, right? I can actually sort 2 columns at the same time. So maybe I want to do by score and then by name. If you highlight the 2, sort and filter, custom sort, add 1 level, there we go, 2 levels here. We're going to sort by score first and then sort by name after. We're going to do that Z to A. So you should see UMA would appear before ANMOL, even though the same scores. And there you go. How about filtering now? So if you select any of these column headings, go over to sort and filter and just click filter, and you get these little options here where now maybe I only want to see ANMOL and Farzan score. And there you go. Alright, so that's it. Just a few additional features that you need to know about spreadsheet software. We've covered them all now, so we can tick off use other features. And that's everything you need to know about other features in spreadsheet software.